You throw tangy tajin feta, briny jalapenos, and loads of smoky spices into a food processor, and then stuff it into a beautifully filleted salmon tail, you'll have just made the most unique and delightful mealtime game changer using Atheno's new tajin feta. Welcome back to episode 24 of Getting to Know Your Greek Bestie. Today we're making my viral stuffed salmon tail into the most epic sheet pan fish tacos. Combat recipe fatigue with this tajin feta. It's a hassle-free way to add excitement to everyday meals. Plus, it's delicious. Try this recipe for your next family gathering, holiday, or date night. She's low lift and giving all sorts of maximalist flavor. This is your sign to ditch the overhyped whipped feta and try my creamy garlicky eggplant dip topped with sauteed spiced beef instead. Welcome back to episode 5 of More Things Greek. Today we're blending Greek and Lebanese flavors into the ultimate appetizer for your next gathering or date night. Introducing Melizano Salata Bilachme, an elite flavor-packed combo that pairs perfectly with my viral pillowy soft pita. I should warn you though, this dip packs a serious garlic punch, so dial it down if you're not ready to slay vampires. But trust me, a little garlic never hurt it. This is your sign to ditch the traditional Easter menu and try my bold Greek-style lamb leg instead. Welcome back to episode 6 of More Things Greek, where I share recipes from my childhood. This is how we Greeks celebrate Pascha, a succulent, crispy edge, pull-off-the-bone American lamb leg that's been perfectly seasoned, paired with my viral Greek lemon potatoes, also known as arnish do furno. Of course, no dish is complete without la dolemono, that lemony sauce filled with my family's olive oil. For me, lamb has always symbolized home. It's tied to memories of wishing I had earplugs, but laughing till my tummy hurt around my yaya's table. Growing up, lamb was a whole food meant to bring the entire family together.
In this dish, two components that are good on their own become even better together. You've got that warm, crispy chicken cutlet with the cool, refreshing, umami-rich Caesar salad on top. It works so well, and every bite is balanced, refreshing, and flavorful. I hope you try it. It is so good. This chia pudding tastes like dessert, but is actually so good for you, filled with fiber and omega-3s. It's my coconut chia pudding inspired by the flavors of mango sticky rice, which is one of my favorite Thai desserts. I hope you try it, and I hope... This dish is vibrant and bright and refreshing, made with all of those beautiful crunchy vegetables, but it still tastes hearty and satisfying with the vermicelli noodles and grilled chicken. You top it all off with a homemade peanut dressing, and it is so delicious and tastes like a spring roll in a bowl. I hope you try it. It is so good, and I think you're gonna love it. Enjoy!